The
Hey guys, we're having a Rally's mukbang. And I got the Glorilla sandwich. And what you got?
I don't know, something massive.
I think he got the Big Buford or something.
Big Buford.
Alright. Okay. First bite. Here you go, guys. It says, get famous. Glorilla sandwich. Right, here we go, guys. It looks like this. And then there's, I don't know what's in there. Looks like you got fries or something. Oh, onion ring or something. What is that?
Must have been a sandwich made on the munchies.
Mm-hmm.
Made him with a sandwich. You know what'd be good on a sandwich? Onion rings, man.
I don't know. It kind of looks like onion rings, but I don't
It could
know.
be onion chips or whatever. Like, what is it? Like White Castle has. Who knows?
Yeah.
Chicken. Do.
Yeah, gas price today at Sam's Club for regular is $3.22, right?
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Mm-hmm. Today that we're doing this video. And it's a weekday. It's a work day. It's Tuesday.
We're so thankful for the gas prices.
Well, yeah. I mean,
So thankful.
you know.
So thankful. And that is a lot of vans over there.
Oh no, and then they're all parked.
They must have
'Cause
bought
they
new
said-
ones.
They said their main office is here. Remember you pointed it to me? Yeah.
That's gotta be awesome
Come on, that
to be
means
able to buy all new vans and have them all wrapped and knock it out. That is killer. Especially in today's climate, I mean. With things being uncertain. What is that? It's 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, that's
4,
your
5,
color.
6. Hell, that's 12 vans. It's 12 new Chevy vans. It's a Chevy dealer. Has to be some type of GM product. That's awesome. Boom!
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Workplace. Yeah.
That's a work and play.
Oh yeah.
I think it has a storage in the back.
What? And it's just a truck that's hauling it. Whatever this is.
Yeah, it's not a fifth wheel. That thing is massive though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you'd have to have a really big truck to haul that damn thing. Those don't really look like big trucks though. Is it a Chevy or a GM
something.
2500 HD.
Yeah, we're parked by a car lot, you guys.
Yeah, sorry, in front of us is a Chevy dealership. GM dealership.
And that's what he's talking about. Just the types of vehicles that they have on the lot. Is there somebody else here parked or just us? Just us look like on it. Yeah.
Nothing for you, Higgins.
These are bomb. Thumbs up on the Glorilla sandwich. Yeah, because every now and again they'd come up with something, even McDonald's. Remember the BTS or whatever? And then the Cardi B or Offset. Remember? You don't remember? He doesn't remember. Sometimes McDonald's, you know, fast food, they feature certain artists.
That just sounds like a money losing scheme, if you ask me.
No, people just want to try what they like from that, you know, establishment, and then people try it.
Sounds silly. But whatever.
Because you can make your own sandwich. Look like. Well, you're fast. He's done. I'm not. I'm just gonna save it for later. What the heck? This person just made like a turn and then turned back around.
Because he had to make sure we're people.
I guess. I don't
Well,
know.
I'm probably given the demographic here.
Probably.
Probably want to see if we're up to nefarious activities.
I don't know. But he just turned around and then he goes.
Oh,
He went back
drove
that
almost in a
way.
complete circle around us.
Yeah.
But didn't look this way. Just drove in a
Yeah.
circle.
Yeah, he did them.
Like, didn't eyeball us or anything. Just kind of drove around in a circle and went back that way.
He's like, you better go back that way. There's some surprise for you.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I don't know if I want it. I don't know if I'm ready for that surprise.
Oh, well.
Let's go back there and that dude's playing Goodbye Horses.
All right.
Goodbye horses. No. No, thank you, buddy. You can keep all that.
This one's a strawberry shake.
You're going to ask me to rub the lotion on the skin. No, buddy. No, thank you. I ain't ready for that kind of party. There's a lot of trucks over there, man. What are those? Those are new Camaros, aren't they?
Look like.
That's poop. They didn't connect these two parking lots together. Pooey.
Mm.
Somebody looking at your armpit, put your arm down.
Yeah.
10 and 2. Or is it 12? Straight up, like 12 o'clock.
Oh yeah. I forgot all about that.
What? What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm trying to find a bag to put it in that's not. No, that they still got fresh ones. I think it's to your left over there. I should have some. Yep. Thank you. Yeah, if it's take home, I leave it. But if it's trash, I put it into the bag. Uh-huh. Alright. Any last words for the people that are gonna be watching the video?
Done for you, Higgins.
That's all you're gonna say. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.
Keep your stick on the ice.